word made him sing it again and again. In the end, they all sing it together. You can sing it too. Elmo has a lullaby, lullaby, lullaby. Elmo has a lullaby stuck inside both ears. Everywhere that Elmo goes, Elmo goes, Elmo goes. Everywhere that Elmo goes, that's all Elmo hears. That's the Elmo.
Wow.
Right.
Mm.
That was a nice story.
Now Tina is gonna read you guys a story.
Okay. The name of my story is The Silly Travelers at Christmas. Do you like Christmas? You like Christmas, Elmo? Yeah?